Land and residential lots to buy in Arkansas State. Are you looking for the perfect piece of land to build your dream home or for a residential lot to invest in? Look no further than the beautiful state of Arkansas. With its rolling hills, lush forests, and picturesque lakes, Arkansas offers a wide range of land and residential lots to choose from. Whether you're looking for a secluded retreat in the Ozarks or a waterfront property on one of the state's many lakes, you're sure to find the perfect piece of land in Arkansas. And with prices that are often lower than in other parts of the country, buying land or a residential lot in Arkansas can be a smart investment. If you're looking for a residential lot, Arkansas has many desirable neighborhoods to choose from. From the bustling cities of Little Rock and Fayetteville to the charming small towns scattered throughout the state, there's a community that's just right for you. And with new housing developments popping up all the time, you're sure to find a lot in the perfect location. When it comes to buying land, Arkansas offers a wide range of options. Whether you're looking for a large tract of land for hunting or farming, or a smaller piece of land for camping or building a cabin, you're sure to find what you're looking for. And with the state's many state and national parks, you'll have plenty of opportunities to enjoy the great outdoors. So if you're looking for a place to call your own, consider buying land or a residential lot in Arkansas. With its beautiful landscape and affordable prices, it's the perfect place to build your dream home or invest in a piece of property. Don't wait, start exploring your options today. What else? In addition to the natural beauty and affordable prices, Arkansas also offers a strong economy and a great quality of life. The state has a diverse economy with a strong presence in industries such as agriculture, manufacturing, and healthcare. This means that buying land or a residential lot in Arkansas can be a wise financial decision, as property values are likely to increase over time. Arkansas is also known for its friendly and welcoming communities. With a low cost of living and a strong sense of community, it's a great place to raise a family or retire. The state also offers a wide range of recreational activities, from hiking and fishing to hunting and boating. When it comes to buying land or a residential lot in Arkansas, there are many resources available to help you find the perfect piece of property. Real estate agents and land brokers have a wealth of knowledge and experience, and can help guide you through the process of buying land or a residential lot. They can also help you navigate the legal and financial aspects of the transaction. In summary, buying land or a residential lot in Arkansas offers a lot of benefits such as natural beauty, affordable prices, a strong economy, a great quality of life, and a diverse range of recreational activities. With the help of a real estate agent or land broker, you can find the perfect piece of property to suit your needs and start building your dream home or investing in a piece of property. Which counties is good? It would depend on what you're looking for in a county. Each county in Arkansas has its own unique features and attractions. Some counties, such as Benton and Washington, are known for their growing cities and suburban communities, while others, such as Newton and Searcy, are known for their rural landscapes and outdoor recreational opportunities. However, some counties that are particularly known for their natural beauty, recreational opportunities, and strong economy include Pulaski County, which is home to Little Rock, the state capital, and offers a diverse economy and a wide range of recreational opportunities. Benton County, which is home to Fayetteville, Rogers, and Bentonville and has a strong economy and a growing population. Washington County, which is home to Fayetteville and offers a strong economy and a high standard of living. Garland County, which is home to Hot Springs and offers outdoor recreational opportunities and a strong tourism industry. Saline County, which is home to Benton and offers a growing economy and a high standard of living. It's important to keep in mind that each county has its own unique features and attractions, so it's recommended to visit the area, talk to the locals, and do your own research before making a final decision. Thank you to watch the video. I hope this video has helped you to make your decision to buy land in Arkansas. Please hit the like and subscriber button, and also the reminder bell for the next videos. I see you then. Cheers.